Hello, today I want to show you how to visualize the missing data in your Excel file. So here I have a AWS dataset. I have a tanggal means is a date, RR, WS, etc. Let's check if there's a gap in this Excel file. Looks like there's no gap in tanggal here. No gap, no gap, no gap, no gap, and no gap. Looks like in this dataset it's a complete data, but maybe, just maybe, in this date, maybe there's some date there's no included in this dataset. So yeah, in this video I want to show you how to visualize that. Okay, now this is the script. Here first I read that using pandas, and then after that this is the algorithm to check if there's a missing date in the dataset, and then after that I create a new data frame and save that to Excel, and after that I plot that using this missingno script. So this plot is called missingno, and then let's run that. To run that, then plot missingno. The script is to create a new data frame. And as you can see, the running for the script is quite long. So let's just skip this. And if you already, or if you finish run this script, you will get something like this. This is the modified Excel. After we run that script, we can detect some gap, that a date that is not included in the original file, and then after that let's plot that using plot miss plot. Oh yeah, the script is pretty simple. It's just like this. I'm doing plot show just because. Okay. The file is quite big, so it takes a quite long time to run the script. Okay, run, and as you can see, here I'm doing TLT show. So because I'm doing this, I can configure that the plot like this. Okay. I can change the border like this. You can just save. You can just using TLT save if you don't want to configure like me. And then after you finish the configuration, you can save it like this. And let's see. And yep, as you can see, this is our missingno plot. And as you can see here, the white gap here is a gap data that's not included in the original file. And yeah, that's it. That is how you to visualize using missingno plot. Here